Hey everybody, Clay here with Clay Jarvis Guitar. In this video, I'm going to play some basic chord progressions in the key of E major, but I'm going to play all the chords with the bottom two strings open, which is really something that I love to do. And it's going to be an E bar chord right there with the bottom two strings open, a B, bottom two strings open, A, bottom two strings open. Now I'm also going to drop down to this chord here, which is kind of like a B over E flat, bottom strings open. There's your C sharp, there's your B right there, there's your A, and then we're going to do this one right here. This is a F sharp major. And then back to your E. So hey, let me know in the comments if you recognize the intro that I was doing and what song that's from and what band that's from and what guitar player that's from. On this channel I do tips, tools, strategy, and improv videos. So if you're new here, consider subscribing. And I hope you do get some value from this video. And so here we go. I hope you enjoyed this video and got some value from it. For more tips, tools, and strategy videos, check out the playlist that's on your screen right now. And we'll see you in the next video.